Hello, friend. Today I have taken one topic from society. The name of the topic is Transformation of Tribal Society to Casteless Society. As we have seen in one of my video titled Creation of Caste or Jati, that caste had been originated from the tribe and not from the Varna system. If it is true, then throughout the world there were tribes, and that tribes should have led to the formation of caste globally. But it did not happen. We find the caste is the unique characteristic of Indian society. We do not find caste system in other parts of the world like India. How can we explain this divergence? The tribes of the other parts of the world gave up their tribal characteristic and emerged as a casteless society. The reason for it may be the emergence of great religions like Islam and Christianity. This religion had extinguished the tribal nature of societies. Today, most of the population of the world belong to two religions, that is Islam and Christianity. These two religions provided one God, one sacred book, one prayer, single moral and social order to their disciples or followers. Islam worshipped single God, that is Allah, and Quran is their sacred book. Christianity worship their single God, that is Jesus, and Bible is their sacred book. Thus, both religions are highly disciplined and organized. Islam was more strict to implement its ideology and teaching on their followers. Islam emerged in Western Asia in 637 AD. Islam had abolished all laws, rules, and regulations of the past of 610 AD. Most of the tribes in Western Asia derived their social, political, and economic life from the Islamic teaching. Most of these tribes had given up their individual tribal gods and accepted only one God, that is Allah. Blood relation was very strong in tribal society. But now, religious bonds became supreme over the blood relationship of the tribes. Islam and Christianity emphasized more on brotherhood. To die for religion became the supreme virtue. You might have read about the Crusades. That means religious war between Muslims and Christians. In this way, tribal nature of society transformed to egalitarian religious society rather than unequal caste system. Thus, Islam and Christianity succeeded to destroy tribalism and establish religion-based society. Later on, Islam and Christianity established state on the foundation of religion. The state head also became the religious head. These religions were the missionaries and so made special efforts to spread globally. With the help of a state, this religion destroyed the tribalism of tribes. In modern period, Christianity confined their religion to personal life and adopted modern values. Islam has strictly adhered to religious doctrine. So Islamic fundamentalists took the control of Islam. The above did not happen in India. Hindu religion could not become the organizational rallying point for Indian subcontinent. Hindu was not a religion. It could not become the religion of all Indians. The Indians were not aware that they were the Hindus. The word Hindu is popularized after the invasion of Muslims. Hinduism was a way of life. We can say that in the past, India had as much religion as much the number of tribes. To conclude, our ancestor had devised the unique way to unite all these tribes to develop a Hindu society. Through all this discussion, we can come to the conclusion that this tribal society of the world converted to the casteless society. But in India, the tribes of the past had transformed into the caste-based society. Thank you for watching my video.